Alright, let's give a quick test of the controls. Now I still need to fill in all these little holes right here in preparation to put a custom decal across here for the Kaboom cabinet, but this is just to make sure I got all the electronics hooked up inside right. It's working with the screen and I've got my sound and everything else. So let's give it a quick test. Now of course I'm using a Nintendo Wii for the base of this project. So activate the Wii. Okay, there's the Wii coming up. Okay, then I need to select my, get a little farther back. There we go. Homebrew channel. Oop. Start. And the Wii 2600 emulator. Load. Start emulator. And then I want to select. Now one of the things I noticed here is you have to put this potentiometer, this pot here, in a particular place. If you turn it one way or the other too far, it'll scroll the bar up and lock it up there, or scroll it down, lock at the bottom. So I discovered you have to center this. So what I'll do is I'll put a little mark down here on the decal, and then I'll put a mark on this dial right here where you have to line it up when you initially turn this thing on, so it won't do that to you. So let's fire up Kaboom. Okay, there's Kaboom. Now this is my game select switch right here. So if I hit that, you see game 2 pops up, back to game 1. This is the reset to start the game. So there that is. I turn the little dial right here. I can move my buckets. And the fire button to start. Whoa! Oh, awesome. So it's coming along pretty well. I got the sides already painted. Here's a quick picture of those. It does look orange underneath the camera light, but it's actually hot pink. It actually glows kind of a pinkish color under black light. So I got to get decals made for the sides, and I have to make a decal for the control panel here yet. And then I need to make a custom marquee as well to mount on the front of the MiniCade cabinet. So slowly but surely it's coming together. Then I gotta find a place to mount all that junk. Ugh. Gotta stick the Wii in there somewhere. I'm gonna try to piggyback on the 12-volt supply to the Wii to power my soundboard inside of here and also power that screen. I'm hoping the Wii power supply has enough amperage in it. It's a 3-amp power supply, so I think it should be okay to power the extra stuff off of it. If it doesn't, then I'll have to come up with something else to power everything. But that's the plan right now. So that's the latest update. Thanks for watching.